and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little bit of a different unboxing for you today. However, it is still diamond painting related. Now, firstly, I must say, company, amazing shipping times. I've never had anything arrive this quick. So I ordered this on the 18th of April. It shipped on the 21st of April, which was a Sunday. So it showed as being shipped on the Sunday. I've received it today, Friday, the 26th of April. So from ordering, which if I remember rightly, I'm trying to see if I can see it. Oh no, so I ordered it through the day on the 18th. That's if AliExpress is telling me UK time. I don't know what time zone it's in. But anyway, I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did order it in the daytime on the 18th. And here we are, 26th, and it's here. Absolutely fantastic. So this was from the Angel's Hand Factory store. So Angel, A-N-G-E-L '(S), Hand Factory store. So let's get into this because I'm a little bit excited. And I will show you. Now, you may well have seen these before, but what I've ordered is one of these cases for storing diamonds, and I have a project for this one. So, I think it's upside down. So this is the 60 bottle case. I thought it was a bit squished, but it's not really. It's got a nice big handle for carrying it. 2 zips in the lovely blue with black. And then, to get inside it, we have 60 bottles. So do get all 60 bottles in this. Now this cost me £15.57 shipped, and it's been shipped in just over a week. You do get a little set of labels, and you can also store other stuff in here, though I wouldn't recommend storing anything particularly heavy. And then these are the bottles, so they're quite long. Now, apparently they store about 4 packs worth of those 200 beads, 4 or 5, so I think you may even get 1,000 pack in them. Their own little tops. And then let's have a little measure. So, across the top of the bottle, if I go from like the far edge, is probably about 24 mils. Though if you're looking for a sticker to fit on the top, I'd probably go for like a 2 centimetre sticker or a 20 mil sticker. And in inches is probably about 1 inch across the top. Now I know that I have created some labels ready for my project for this one, and I've used a 1/2 inch, but anything up to 1 inch. So the little screw tops, and then they just sit in the little foam. Now, I've ordered this, well, I ordered this, of course I did, it's here. My plan for this is I will be doing a Heaven and Earth Designs diamond painting. I've ordered the canvas, I've ordered the storage, I have not ordered the drills. So, a little sneaky for a video that will be coming up is my plan to do this Heaven and Earth Designs is to use my spare drills. So if anybody is after a project to use their spare drills, there are many things that you can make with spare drills on the small scale, but I'm thinking, well, I am doing a Heaven and Earth design, thinking more long term, using the drills, and this project will be ongoing in between all the others. So keep an eye out for that. I'm waiting for my canvas, and then I'm going to start getting organised. But this is what I thought I would use for that design. A lot of the reason being I do love my 28 slot storage is the Heaven and Earth design I'm doing has 239 colours, which is a lot, but I also want to be able to move them about. So because these are single pots, I can, you know, pot up the colours that I have for maybe my first section or my first page of the Heaven and Earth design, and then I can add to it as I need to, but I can still keep them in DMC order because I can move them down and around. And that's the reason that I've gone for this storage. Plus it's pretty. It's pretty and it's not expensive. So yeah, these pots, oh, let's have a look how deep they are. So deep wise, they're 5 centimeters deep or 2 inches. So 2 inches deep by, well, the lid's about 1 inch. The bottom of it is probably a bit less. So the bottom of it is just over 2 centimeters and just over, it's probably 1/8 of an inch off being an inch. So 7/8 of an inch across the bottom. So they're a nice little size, especially when you fill them with diamonds. So keep an eye out for that project when I start setting up. I'm sure that will be a mammoth video series of how I'm going to use a Heaven and Earth Designs to use my spare drills. But also, look, this hole, so this is on a foam, piece of foam, nicely trimmed round. See the bottoms? I don't want to tip it upside down because they'll all fall out. But yeah, that is inside then this case that's got nice sort of velvety, it's not velvet, but it's velvety type bottom. That's the little screw handles as well there. And that just sits inside. Now you can get these that hold 30 and 15, but I figured with 239 colours, I'm possibly going to need a few of these, but I thought I'd get one, see what the quality's like, see what the shipping was like. Shipping was amazing. Quality is really good. Nice little size case. And to confirm, the case itself, it's just over 30 centimetres, about 32 centimetres or 12 inches, and then across, if we include the handle as well, it's about 23, so about 23 centimetres or 9 inches. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this storage for my Heaven and Earth designs. I can possibly keep in here, you know, maybe my pattern or maybe the other spare beads that don't necessarily fill up this. Something like that could be stored in the top. And then my long-term project can be popped away in this case and kept together. And then pulled out when I have a few more spare diamonds to make a bit more progress. So yeah, I thought I'd let you know about that. So that again was from the Angel's Hand factory store, and that was £15.57, and that's it. If I can show it you, if it'll focus. Probably not, screen on screen doesn't like it. There we go. So it's 60 bottles, diamond painting, tool container, storage box, carry case, etc. But it's from Angel's Hands factory store. It was £15.57, and that includes the bottles. If you are having a look on AliExpress, do keep an eye out. Some companies will only do the case and they don't include the bottles, and I have seen some companies, so this again is something if you're ordering from a different seller to look out for, is some companies will do bottles that are half the size in these cases. So they actually have an option for 2 different sizes. If you click on the wrong one, you'll get the smaller ones. So keep an eye out for that. But absolutely amazing condition for all of these. I'm not seeing any damage to anything. And I just need my canvas, my blank canvas to turn up now, so I can start the epic Heaven and Earth Designs project with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.